Hello, doctors. Welcome back to Meducate, your trusted guide for NEET PG Counselling 2025. In this video, we'll decode the entire NEET PG 2025 counselling process, covering MCC All India Quota, DNB, NBE Diploma, Central Universities and Deemed in a step-by-step format. We'll discuss seat division, domicile rules, registration fees, and round-by-round details including upgrade, resignation, and stray round eligibility. So stay till the end because every second of this video can save you from costly mistakes during counseling. Let's start from the basics. Section 1. Types of colleges. First, let's understand what kinds of colleges are included under NEET PG Counselling. There are 5 main types. 1. Government medical colleges. 2. DNB hospitals, post-MBBS DNB courses. 3. NBEMS Diploma courses. 4. Deemed universities. 5. Private medical colleges. Every category has its own counselling authority and rules, which will now decode one by one. Section 2. Types of counselling. There are 2 main types of counselling under NEET PG. 1. MCC Counselling, conducted at the national level by the Medical Counselling Committee. This includes seats of government medical colleges, AIQ 50%, DNB hospitals, NBEMS Diploma seats, deemed universities, AFMS, and central universities. 2. State Counselling, handled by each state's own authority, like KEA for Karnataka or DMER for Maharashtra. Each state has its own eligibility rules. Some are open states, no domicile required. Some are closed states, only domicile candidates allowed. So depending on your domicile, you can apply for multiple counselings together. Then the Section 3, Domicile and Coverage. MCC All India Quota is domicile free, meaning any candidate from any state can participate. You can also apply to 14 states that are open, no domicile needed. So if you're strategic, you can participate in AIQ plus DNB plus diploma plus deemed plus multiple state counselings at the same time and increase your chances of getting a good seat. Section 4, Seat Division Overview. Government medical colleges. Half of the seats, that is 50% are filled through MCC All India Quota Counselling, and the remaining 50% are filled through the respective state counselling authorities. Next, deemed universities come completely under the MCC. That means 100% of their seats are filled at the national level through All India Counselling, and none are reserved for state quota. Moving to private medical colleges, these are not handled by MCC. They are completely under state counselling, meaning 100% of the seats are filled by the state authority only. Finally, for central universities like AMU, BHU, and Delhi University, the distribution varies. Generally, 50% of seats are reserved as institutional quota, and the other 50% are filled through All India Quota Counselling as per the central policy. So in short, all deemed universities and DNB seats are handled centrally by MCC, while private colleges come entirely under state counselling. Next section, MCC registration fees. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of MCC counselling, the registration fee and security deposit details. Let's go step by step. The first, for government medical colleges, DNB, NBEMS Diploma, AFMS, and central universities, excluding deemed universities. The registration fee is 1,000 rupees for general and EWS candidates and 500 rupees for SC, ST, and OBC candidates. The security deposit is 25,000 rupees for general and EWS and 10,000 rupees for SC, ST, and OBC candidates. Now for deemed universities, the structure is different. Here, the registration fee is fixed at 5,000 rupees for all categories, while the security deposit is a huge 2 lakh rupees. So if we combine both, for general and EWS candidates, the total amount is 26,000 rupees. For SC, ST, and OBC candidates, the total is 10,500 rupees. And for deemed universities, the total payable amount is 2 lakh 5,000 rupees. This amount has to be paid online during MCC registration. And don't worry, your security deposit is fully refundable once counseling is over, as long as you either join your allotted seat or exit within the rules. Then the Section 6 Counseling Sequence Overview. The overall counseling sequence runs like this: MCC Round 1, then State Round 1, then MCC Round 2, then State Round 2, then MCC Mop Up, then State Mop Up, then MCC Stray Vacancy, then State Stray Vacancy. This sequence ensures that both central and state processes run in parallel, giving candidates enough time to participate in both. Section 7. Applying for multiple counselings. There is no restriction on applying for more than one counseling. You can register for MCC and simultaneously apply for several states. Typically, MCC starts first, followed by states. Once MCC Round 1 results are out, most states begin their Round 1, so you can smoothly manage both. Section 8. Choice. Filling next part is choice preference, that is most important part of your counseling journey. Make a best strategic and do the choice preference. There is no limit in choice preference. You can select maximum college as you can. Section 9. Allotment. Now from here, the important part of counseling. Arrive, that is decision maker. So listen carefully, don't miss any part. Round 1. Outcome, not allotted. If you don't get any seat in round 1, don't worry. You do not need to register again for round 2. You will simply do choice filling again in round 2. Note, round 1 choices are treated as null and void for round 2. So you must fill fresh choices again in round 2. Next scenario. Round 1, outcome. Allotted but not satisfied. If you get a seat in round 1 but you don't like it, you can choose not to join. Round 1 has a free exit. That means no penalty if you don't join your round 1 seat. You can directly participate in round 2 with fresh choice filling. Next scenario. Round 1 outcome. Allotted and joined. If you are allotted a seat and you are satisfied, go ahead and join. Complete all admission formalities at the allotted college. If you're not satisfied but still want to keep that seat for now, join and opt for upgrade. When asked for willingness to upgrade, select YES. With upgrade selected, you can still compete for a better seat in round 2 and round 3. For upgrades, you will again do choice filling in the next round. You do not need to register again. Here, round 1 ends. Let's move to round 2. Round 2. Registration window. Round 2 begins with a fresh registration window. Candidates who did not register earlier can register now. Candidates already registered do not need to register again. Move straight to choice filling and locking in round 2. Next scenario. Round 2. Outcome. Not allotted. If you still don't get a seat in round 2, don't panic. You will have the option to participate in round 3. Since you're already registered, there is no new registration needed for round 3. You will do fresh choice filling again in round 3. Next scenario. Allotted but not joined. If you are allotted a seat in round 2 and you do not join, your security deposit will be forfeited. Even after forfeiture, you can still participate in round 3. But you will have to pay the security deposit again to remain in the system. Next scenario, round 2. Outcome. Upgraded from round 1. If you had a round 1 seat and you get upgraded in round 2, your previous seat is cancelled automatically. You cannot go back to the round 1 seat after an upgrade. You must report to your new round 2 college. Collect a relieving letter and original documents from your round 1 college. Submit the relieving letter and documents to your round 2 allotted college. Next scenario. Still want an upgrade. If you joined your round 2 seat but still want a better option, select yes for upgrade to round 3. You will again do fresh choice filling in round 3. If you get upgraded in round 3, follow the same relieving and reporting process. Now, here you can see upgradation path. Now let's understand the 2 possible upgrade pathways in MCC All India Quota Counselling. Path A is the standard upgrade route. You start from round 1, then if you opt for upgrade, you move to round 2, and again, if you choose to upgrade, you can move further into round 3. It's a step-by-step progression, round 1, then upgrade to round 2, then upgrade to round 3. Path B is a little different. You start in round 1, but if you don't get upgraded in round 2, you can still receive a direct upgrade from round 1 to round 3. So, Path A and Path B both lead to round 3. The difference is how and when the upgrade happens, depending on your rank, choices, and seat movement. Here, round 2 counseling process, then next is round 3, registration and choices. Round 3 usually opens a window for fresh registration again. If you missed earlier rounds, you may be allowed to register now. Already registered candidates can proceed directly to choice filling. Fill and lock your choices carefully for round 3. Round 3, outcome not allotted. If you still don't get a seat in round 3, wait for the stray vacancy round. Remember, fresh registration allowed in stray vacancy. Round 3, outcome allotted but not joined. If you are allotted a seat in round 3 and you do not join, your security deposit is lost. Your counseling journey also ends at this point. You will not be allowed to participate in the stray vacancy round. Round 3, outcome, allotted and joined. If you join your round 3 seat, congratulations. There is no resignation or upgrade option after this stage. Proceed with your admission formalities and continue your academics. Now your round 3 counseling process ends here.